Class of 2026, it gives me great pleasure to announce your destinations. Congratulations. Aryahi Agarwal will pursue economics and management at King's College, London, in the United Kingdom. Shlok Agarwal will pursue mechanical engineering at Purdue University in the United States of America. Kavyan Agarwal will read mechanical engineering at Imperial College London in the United Kingdom. Vansh Agarwal will pursue economics at Yale University in the United States of America. Shreyasi Agarwal will pursue media and communications at the University of the Arts, London, in the United Kingdom. Anaya Amrish will pursue molecular bioengineering at Imperial College, London, in the United Kingdom. Tarini Arora will pursue architecture at Wellesley College in the United States of America. Shreya Arora will pursue education studies at Wellesley College in the United States of America. Elisha Avasthi will pursue statistics and data science at Carnegie Mellon University in the United States of America. Avik Bajaj will pursue molecular and cell biology at the University of California, San Diego. Ashlesha Bakshi will pursue psychology and economics at Pitzer College in the United States of America. Avinash Balakrishnan will pursue business at New York University in the United States of America. Kush Batavia will pursue materials engineering at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign in the United States of America. Vedant Basin will read mechanical engineering at Imperial College London in the United Kingdom. Rishiv Bhatia will pursue electrical engineering at Columbia University in the United States of America. Ishil Bhatia will read computing at Imperial College London in the United Kingdom. Agastya Bhatia will pursue electrical engineering at Northwestern University in the United States of America. Anshul Bhatt will pursue engineering and cognitive science at Stanford University in the United States of America. Khushi Biyani will pursue economics and psychology at Barnard College in the United States of America. Arjun Chahal will pursue philosophy, politics and law at the University of Southern California. Azadeh Chandrani Rastogi will pursue English and Visual Arts at Columbia University. Myra Chaturvedi will pursue sociology at New York University. Ridhima Chaudhary will pursue artificial intelligence and computer science at the University of Birmingham in Dubai. Raj Chauhan will pursue economics and finance at Ashoka University. Riya Chawla will read biochemistry in the University College London in the United Kingdom. Adarsh Das will pursue public health at Columbia University in the United States of America. Kunal Deepak will pursue engineering at the University of Southern California in the United States of America. Ronak Dhoot will pursue mechanical engineering at Tufts University in the United States of America. Aishu Fadia will read law at Queen Mary University of London in the United Kingdom. Kiana Fernandez will read biomedical sciences at the University of Warwick in the United Kingdom. Vedant Garodia will pursue biomedical engineering at Duke University in the United States of America. Isha Ghiwala will read psychological and behavioral sciences at the University of Cambridge in the United Kingdom. Rachit Gyanchandani will pursue mathematics and economics at the London School of Economics and Political Science in the United Kingdom. Anhat Gill will read neuroscience at the University College London in the United Kingdom. Agastya Goradia will pursue electrical engineering at the University of California in Los Angeles in the United States of America. Yashika Gupta will pursue economics and liberal studies at New York University in the United States of America. Atishay Gupta will pursue mechanical engineering at Northwestern University. Ben Hara will pursue material science and engineering at Carnegie Mellon University. Lakshya Hirawat will pursue mechanical engineering at the University of Illinois in Urbana-Champaign. Arsh Hora will pursue finance at the University of Notre Dame in the United States of America. Zaha Irani will pursue real estate finance and development at the University of Southern California. Om Jaggi will pursue business and finance at City St. George's University of London. Mahik Jain will pursue mathematics and computer science at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. Vikraman Jatia will pursue business management at New York University. Anahat Singh Johri will pursue physics at the University of Notre Dame in the United States of America. Tara Kamble will pursue film and television at New York University in the United States of America. Naisa Kandari will read medicine at the University of Birmingham in the United Kingdom. Ahana Kanoi will pursue earth and environmental engineering at Columbia University in the United States of America. Vikram Kara will pursue finance at the University of Virginia. Arav Kaul will pursue electrical and computer engineering at Duke University. Araman Keria will pursue business at New York University in the United States of America. Mitali Khaitan will pursue psychology and business at the University of Southern California. Ahana Khemani will pursue sociology at Barnard College in the United States of America. Devi Kochhar will pursue math and computer science at Stanford University in the United States of America. Arjun Kulshresht will read electrical and electronic engineering at Imperial College London in the United Kingdom. Aditya Kumar will pursue computer science at the University of California, Berkeley. Anushka Kumar will pursue computer science and linguistics at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Anya Kundar will pursue economics and data science at New York University. Zahar Kundar will pursue artificial intelligence at Emory University. Diva Kundar will pursue business administration and management at Babson College. Arav Lakhani will read economics at the University of Warwick in the United Kingdom. Shaurya Lingve will pursue engineering and computer science at Tufts University. Tanvi Lodhavia will read computer science and mathematics at the University College London in the United Kingdom. Arzu Maheshwari will pursue biomedical engineering at Columbia University in the United States of America. Meher Mathur will pursue mechanical engineering at Duke University in the United States of America. Taruni Mazumdar will pursue environmental engineering at Yale University in the United States of America. Kian Mehta will pursue mathematics and computer science at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Shreya Mehta will pursue statistics and data science at Carnegie Mellon University. Anaya Mehta will pursue biology at Emory University. Pujita Mota will pursue molecular cell and developmental biology at the University of California in Los Angeles. Johan Monga will pursue mathematics and psychology at the University of Pennsylvania. Varun Nadkarni will pursue computer engineering at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Hriday Parekh will pursue electrical and computer engineering at the University of California, Davis. Devdutt Patel will pursue physics at Dartmouth College in the United States of America. Tiara Pipalia will pursue data science and information science at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Anushka Podar will pursue earth and environmental engineering at Columbia University in the United States of America. Ishika Punjabi will read management at the University of Warwick in the United Kingdom. Amartya Raje is taking a gap year to pursue competitive cricket. Arhana Ramamurthy will pursue electronics engineering at King's College London in the United Kingdom. Ishan Rangwala will pursue psychology at the University of California in San Diego. Amrit Kati will read material science and engineering at Imperial College London. Arav Reddy will pursue biomedical engineering at Johns Hopkins University in the United States of America. Nainika Sachdev will read biomedical engineering at Imperial College London. Ridhima Sampath will pursue electrical engineering and computer science at Yale University. Ranit Sanmalka will read electrical and electronics engineering at Imperial College London. Priya Shah will pursue economics at Tufts University in the United States of America. Riya Shah will pursue economics at New York University. Anya Shah will read economics and economic history at the London School of Economics and Political Science. Ayan Shah will pursue electrical and computer engineering at the University of California, Berkeley. Anushka Shah will pursue psychology and cognitive neuroscience at Brown University. Kian Shah will pursue computer science at Carnegie Mellon University. Galina Sharma will pursue computer science and economics at University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign. Ranveer Sharma will pursue economics and management at Bocconi University in Italy. Rohan Sharma will read biochemistry at Imperial College London. Ikshu Shinde will pursue international politics at Georgetown University. Gianna Shroff will pursue quantitative social science at Dartmouth College. Rishi Shroff will pursue business administration at Northeastern University. Sumer Singh will read law at King's College London. Abhimanyu Singh will pursue science and engineering at Stanford University. Kavya Sinha will pursue economics at Northwestern University. Trisha Soni will read medicine at Imperial College London. Ishan Surve will pursue engineering at California Institute of Technology. Angad Tadveer will pursue materials science and engineering at the University of Pennsylvania. Sanaya Tadani will pursue data science at Northwestern University. Shauryaveer Verma will pursue engineering and robotics at the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor. Once again, class of 2026, a big congratulations.